तो अब बोलो।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बच्चा, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया। हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा। हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बच्चे।
Many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed always. Wish you many more such happy birthdays to come. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay home.
Happy birthday पापा। हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा। बोला हैप्पी बर्थडे पापा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी। केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी। ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे चाची जी। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। एंजॉय योर डे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश। मे गॉड
bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Yugesh beta.
Happy birthday, Jugesh. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे। एंजॉय योर डे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday भैया। Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a happy and healthy life ahead.
मुबारक हो जन्मदिन जोगेश, सभी सुखी रहो बच्चे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे जोगेश जीजू। पार्टी कहाँ रखी है और हमें इनवाइट जरूर करना। थैंक यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Yogesh. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Yogesh. Today you are going to be turn 40. So a very special day. But आप लगते नहीं हो 40 के, because you are becoming more young and young
Every day.
every day. Maybe it is your workout or Daisy का diet plan, I don't know. But you today also you look on about 20s and 30s only. And so God bless you with good health, happiness, prosperity and a bright future ahead.
Yogesh, Daisy, you and your entire family hold a very special place in our lives. You are very dear and very near to us, and we still remember the good time, very special time spent with you in Thailand.
So enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Once again, many happy returns of the day. We love you.
Enjoy the day and a year ahead with many more years to come. God bless you and be happy in your life. Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yogesh. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, Yogesh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yogesh ji.
Happy birthday, Jogesh.
Many happy returns of the day.
बार दिन जे आए बार बार दिल जे गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर चिंटू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे
Happy birthday, chill.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Chachu. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Chintu Bhaiya, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed and stay happy.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jiju.
Happy birthday, Mosa ji.
Stay healthy, stay safe.
Enjoy your day and party hard. Bye.
योगी दादा को जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत प्यार मेरे बच्चे को। खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, ये जिंदगी में दुआ है आपकी। बाकी पल्लू का ख्याल रखना।
Happy birthday, Jiju. Have a
Happy
good
birthday,
one.
Jiju. Have a good one. Cheers.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear son. I love you. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
योगेश जी आपको बड़ी बड़ी मुबारकें। ये दिन आपको बार बार आए और लाख बार आए। हम चाहते हैं आपको हर जीवन की हर खुशी मिले और पल्लू को भी साथ साथ में और बच्चों को भी। मेरी तरफ से आपके माता पिता का भी शुभकामनाएं।
Okay, Jiju. Happy birthday.
योगेश जी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आपको बर्थडे की मुबारक हो। अच्छा ऐसा करना जैसा वो मुकुल का केक काटा था ना हमने, वो लिक्विड केक थाईलैंड में, बस वैसा केक काटना और फिर उसकी फ़ोटोग्राफ भेजना हमें। तो बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे ब्लेस्ड। ओके, थैंक यू।
Happy birthday, Yogesh Jiju.
Hello Jiju, very happy birthday to you. Party hard and keep rocking.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Yogesh.
Stay
fit and healthy.
Happy birthday, Yogesh Mosa.
Happy birthday, Yogesh. It's your 40th happy birthday. May you have a happy, healthy, long and prosperous life. Thank you. Hi, Yogesh. Happy birthday. God bless you.
हाय योगेश, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hello, Jiju. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you many more trips.
Happy birthday, Jiju. Stay blessed.
Party hard.
Hello Yogesh, wish you a very happy 40 years of working hard and playing harder. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi Yogesh, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. I know that last 4 decades have been very fun filled for you, and I am very certain that the next years are going to be even better because one person who knows how to live life and enjoy it is you. Happy birthday.
यह तो एक रस्म जहान है जो अदा होती है, वरना सूरज की भी कहाँ सालगिरह होती है। हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन योर 40th birthday. You have completed the first phase of your life on your terms in such a style. It was filled with enormous amount of fun, adventure, and so much excitement, and thank you for sharing a part of it with us as well. I'll pray to God that your next phase of life is filled with happiness, with success. जो भी तुम चाहो सब कुछ तुम्हें मिले। ये बेखुदी ये लबों की हंसी मुबारक हो, तुम्हें ये सालगिरह की खुशी मुबारक हो। Copyright poetrydhamaka.com. Have a great day, Yogesh, and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jiju. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday, Jiju.
हैप्पी बर्थडे योगेश जी. विश यू ए वेरी ग्रेट हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे. पल्लू पार्टी मस्त करना है. चलो बाय.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Yogesh Musa. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Tindy. Happy birthday to you.
Tindy bhaiya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tindy.
Happy birthday, Rini Mamu. Stay blessed. Party hard.
Happy birthday, Musa.
Many happy returns of the day.
और खूब सारी मस्ती करो, एंजॉय करो और फिर से ट्रिप्स पे जाओ, ढेर सारे घूमो और पल्लू को और बच्चों को खूब एंजॉय करवाओ. ठीक है? ऑल द बेस्ट.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Musa. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Musa. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya.
Happy birthday भैया. Many happy returns of the day.
God bless you.
Everything is laugh and singing. All the pretty flowers are singing. Come and sing and dance and play. For it is a happy day. For it is a happy day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Yogesh.
योगेश हैप्पी बर्थडे. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. योगेश जी हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ही इज द मोस्ट एडवेंचरस एंड केयरिंग फॉर हिज फैमिली.
जी हैप्पी बर्थडे. पल्लू बड़ी बड़ी मुबारक हो. बच्चों को हम प्यार देना.
योगेश हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हाँ जी योगेश जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे. मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. और जल्दी से आ जाओ जम्मू.
अच्छा.
देखो आगे फिर कितना मजा आता है. वही अपने समोसे याद कीजिए. मजा आया था जब आप आए थे. रौनकें लग जाती है आपके आने से.
Hello Yogesh, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday Yogesh ji. Congratulations Pallu.
Congrats Pallu.
Hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I know you think
And this is on your mind, but
40 is not too old.
to bid this, so
Cheers. Have a good time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yogesh. Happy birthday to you.
stay happy
Healthy.
and fit.
Enjoy your birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Mosa, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great year ahead with lots of adventures, lots of memorable trips like you always do. Let me tell you, you always inspire us with your amazing pictures, with your amazing adventure trips, and the kind of like adventure sports that you always get into. They are really inspiring, and especially your fitness. Hats off to you. I don't know अभी मौसी का प्यार है या फिर आपकी अपनी dedication, but whatever it is, it really is really awesome. So wish you a great great year ahead and I hope आप और ऐसी मस्ती करो और बढ़िया बढ़िया आपका टाइम रहे, बहुत अच्छे से ट्रिप्स हों आपके. And it's long time we haven't met, so let's make sure that we get a chance to meet again soon. And take care, have a great one, and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye bye.
Hi Jiju, many happy returns of the day, a very happy birthday. So this year, are you really going to be naughty at 40? I need an answer for this. Anyways, stay happy, stay blessed, have a great year ahead, and stay young always. Bye bye.
हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे. Enjoy your day. भगवान करे ये दिन बार बार आए.
Happy birthday, Papa. We love you so much. And I love you more than them.
No. I love Papa the most.
No, Mama.
I love Papa the most. I love Papa the most. I love Papa the most.
Okay. After this, we have something special for you coming.
Okay.
Just keep.